Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn 15 Korean words and enhance our Korean vocabulary. So let's start. Okay, so the first word is the Korean translation of tree, that is namu. Namu. Okay. Next comes the Korean word for India, that is Indo. Indo. Alright. Next comes the Korean word for clothes, that is oath. Now आप यहाँ देख रहे होंगे कि ये जो कॉन्सोनेंट है इसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन तो स होता है, फिर मैं इसे ओथ क्यों प्रोनाउंस कर रही हूँ. नाउ देयर इज़ अ रीज़न बिहाइंड इट कि जब भी ये कॉन्सोनेंट एक फाइनल कॉन्सोनेंट होता है किसी सिलेबल या वर्ड में तो इट इज़ प्रोनाउंस्ड एज त. ये पूरा एक मैंने वीडियो बनाया है ऑन द प्रोनाउंसिएशन ऑफ फाइनल कॉन्सोनेंट्स. गो एंड वॉच दैट वीडियो ऑन माई यूट्यूब चैनल so that you can understand why some consonants, when they are placed in the final position in a syllable or in a word, are pronounced differently. Alright, next comes the Korean word for America, that is migook. Migook. Alright, next comes the Korean word for chair, that is 의자. 의자. We know it is a diphthong which is pronounced as ui. So the pronunciation of chair in Korean is 의자. Alright? Okay. Next comes the Korean word for airport, that is 공항. 공항. Okay? Next is the Korean word for airplane, that is 비행기. 비행기. Alright, next is the Korean word for Incheon. Incheon is South Korea's third most populous city after Seoul and Busan. So in Korean it is written as Incheon. Okay, Incheon is in itself a Korean name, so it is written like this, Incheon. Okay. Alright, next comes the Korean word for university, that is 대학교. 대학교. Okay. Next, the Korean word for homework, that is 숙제. 숙제. Okay. Next is the Korean word for wall, that is 벽. 벽. Okay. Next, the Korean word for finger, that is 손가락. 손가락. Alright, we already know the Korean word for hand is 손 and the Korean word for finger is 손가락. Alright. Next, the Korean word for vegetable, that is 야채. 야채. Okay. Next, the Korean word for newspaper, that is 신문. 신문. Okay. And last, the Korean word for duck, that is 오리. 오리. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.